Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I like to get rid of soap scum and hard water buildup on my faucets in my showers. A really easy way to do this is just take a lemon, cut it in half. On this plate here, all I have is baking soda. I like to take my lemon and just push it into my baking soda, and it's going to stick to the moisture of the lemon. You're going to take this and just use it just as you would kind of like a sponge and just start working this in onto your faucets. You can actually see it bubbling here. That's just it reacting to the acid in the lemon, and you're just going to rub this in. Now you can go ahead and let this sit and kind of bake on for a little bit, for lack of a better term here, and that'll help kind of scrub and pull all these hard water stains off of the faucet here. You can make it more like a paste and let it sit and do its thing, or you can just kind of rub it off and rinse it with your shower head, which is what I personally like to do unless I have something that's really hard on there. Really simple, really easy, and it also smells really bright and fresh too, so that's just an added bonus. So now all I'm going to do is rinse this off, and you'll see how well this actually took off all of the hard water stains and the soap scum, hard water buildup, all of that good stuff. And you can see how much better that looks already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video.